So now in this video we're going to make an OR gate with a couple NPN bipolar junction transistors. So we have the first state where both of the bases, the middle pin up there, are tied to the negative power supply right there. If I move one of them to the positive supply, you can see the LED turns on. The output went high. And if we move the other pin to the high power rail, positive supply right there, then the output goes high. And we can also do them both to the positive rail. Doesn't matter. Each transistor will probably get a little less hot because they share the current or whatnot. But the main thing is the LED is on. So for the purposes of this video, the output is whether the LED is on or off. Usually there's a signal, either 5 or 0 volts in this case, for the output. But you can use the LED as a demonstration. So there you can see the truth table. As long as one of the inputs, it could be all the inputs, are high, then the output is high, or 5 volts, however you're analyzing it. So now I'm using the 2N3904. The middle pin is the base right there if you're using a 2N3904 or any other bipolar junction transistor that starts with 2N. So far I found they all have the same pin layout. So in any case, we got a collector on top. They're tied together as you can see, and the emitter at the bottom are tied together. The emitter goes to ground, obviously, whereas when it comes to the collectors, they get their positive voltage through the load because they're still wired up as switches, even though this is an OR gate. So, in any case, this is a pretty simple circuit, but I think it's good for people new with transistors and to studying logic gates to just build it to get a little more experience. So, hope you enjoyed.